What is up guys, welcome back to the Crypto Nation channel. In this video I will be going over an NFT project that is very promising on the Cardano blockchain. On my channel I don't really go over many Cardano NFTs, but today I found a very unique NFT project on the Cardano blockchain that looks very high profitable and overall just looks great. I do a lot of research on NFT projects and this one seems very unique and it goes by the name of Two Faces. I'll be going over their website, their Twitter and their Discord throughout this video, so make sure you guys stick around till the end. But before we dive into any of their art, I'd like to mention that I am giving away $100 of BNB to 2 lucky people and I will be announcing the winner at the end of this week, so Saturday or Sunday. So be subscribed, like this video and comment down below your favorite cryptocurrency and turn on notification bells on so you can be entered into this $100 of BNB giveaway. Thank you guys for the support, but without further ado, let's dive into this NFT project. Now the NFT project actually goes by the name of Two Faces. Well, what does that mean? Well, the arts probably have two faces as we can see here. Two Faces is an exclusive NFT series on the Cardano blockchain. In this project, you will find 2,000 unique dolls that will be minted on the Cardano blockchain. Through these NFTs, we explain the story of these strange dolls. Now, as it is the Halloween week, these strange dolls are a great drop this week. Since these dolls have a scary feeling about them, having a look at their art, the Two Faces, the bottom face is like a scary part of the character and the top face, which is part of the body, looks very scary and it just looks strange overall. But as a whole, the art actually looks very well detailed and well made, so props on the art. And also in one of the backgrounds they have the Squid Game background, so that's pretty cool. And the overall website definitely looks very well made, structured, and the font just reminds me of Halloween. So since the minting is in 2 days at the time of recording this video, so that's on the 6th of November, this is obviously the Halloween week and it's a great drop and a very smart drop from this project. Now when looking at NFT projects, I normally talk about 3 things. I talk about activeness, volume, and having a great community for an NFT project to succeed, and this project has just that. We'll be going over their Discord later on throughout this video, and having a good community that is very active on their Twitter, on their Discord, will make this NFT project definitely boom. Now let's scroll down a little bit. Their website is giving me a very Halloween-like vibe. Will you have the courage to add our dolls to your NFT collection? Now, in my opinion, these NFT cards give you the want to actually collect them, and that's a good thing about an NFT project. If you don't feel like collecting it, then what is the point? It's all about the experience for investors, and then the profit comes afterwards. I feel like this NFT project is definitely going to be very high in profit since they will definitely get a lot of sales and volume. Now let's have a look at their roadmap. 2021 pre-season. The 2,000 NFTs will be ready for minting, which is in 2 days. Each NFT is obviously created and uniquely created by their artist Emma. They are currently undergoing big marketing investments to promote their project, and that is definitely an important factor when releasing an NFT project, especially on the Cardano network. You need, really good awareness, because how do people find your NFT project in the first place? Well, they have to undergo a very big marketing investment to actually bring new investors and find your project at the end of the day. Now their website release is obviously here, and I will put all links in the description down below for you guys to check. Now moving away from 2021 past December, we have 2022, which is season 1. Big marketing investments. They would invest 80% of the preseason, and 6,666 NFTs will be ready for minting. Each NFT will be unique and will be created by their artist Emma and her team. Even though they have a small team, they are doing very well. Now with roadmaps, all of these points will definitely be checked as per usual with projects in general, so I assume all of these will definitely be checked. They are having game concepts in the future. This is 2022, they'll be releasing a game. The game will definitely be in beta, I'm pretty sure. The airdrops for pre-season investors, team extension, game developers, programmers, 3D designers, team leaders, and support team. They will work on a horror game. Like I said, this is kind of like a Halloween concept, so the fact that they are dropping it in 2 days is very well timed. They are coming with a new concept, a horror game that will interact with your smartphone in real time. So with many NFT projects, they don't really have a use case, but in this case, they do. You will be able to use the NFT that you mint and use it for their game and get others by unlocking levels. Now that's a very big use case, and you can do a lot with these NFT cards since the game is coming out in 2022. So guys, if you want to get minting, do your own research before you get minting, of course, and in my opinion, this is something that you must look into. Now if you're into scary games, this is the game for you. Big promotions of their game will be definitely made with famous gaming YouTubers, so I assume the bigger YouTubers on the YouTube platform will definitely be promoting this game. So guys, get into this while you can. This is the best time because prices will definitely be shooting up. I'm not sure about the NFT project as of yet, but they are also doing special giveaways for the first 200 NFTs sold, and those who actually sell their NFTs, the first 200 people will participate in a special giveaway. But what giveaway is that? Well, from the first 200 NFTs that are minted will be drawn, and the holder of it will receive a $5,676 Apple box, which includes a MacBook Pro, iPad Pro, Apple Watch 7 and AirPods Pro. So guys, this is definitely a good gateway to this NFT project, and if you want to have a look at it, go look for yourself, because you must always do your own research and nothing in this video is financial advice. So all the links will be in the description down below. The pre-season mint is on the 6th of November at 6 PM UTC. Early investors on this NFT project will be rewarded with airdrops, and as I said before, a game is being developed, so a very big use case and utility is there. Now let's have a look at their team with a full woman team. The founder, which is of course Hannah, Two Faces, Lisa Two Faces, which is the programmer, and of course Emma, as we know, the artist, which, you know, she's doing very well on some of these NFT characters. And then we have the marketing manager, Emily. Quite a small team, but it is a very good team as of yet. Now, here are some of the questions down below. If you want to have a look, check out their website. Like I said, this NFT project is, you know, going to do very well, especially since it is dropping on the Halloween week. So guys, have a look at their Discord. They are always active on that. They are nearing 2K members on that, and on their Twitter they are nearing 1K members. But like I said, it's always about how active your community is, and Two Faces community is pretty well active. For an NFT project at this stage, their last tweet got around 170 likes and a lot of retweets, and they are doing plenty of giveaways. The latest giveaway is 450 Cardano, so to win that, make sure you follow up Two Faces Twitter, like and retweet their latest post, and join their Discord. And the giveaway ends on Sunday, November 7th. So guys, make sure you follow up all their social medias, especially their Discord. But yeah guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.